Hannah. I saw a beautiful clouds and small rock in your bag earlier. What is it for?
Oh, that's a prayer set. I use it for Salat, which is the Muslim daily prayer.
Oh, interesting. What usually included in set?
Uh, it usually has a mukana, which is a special prayer outfit for women, and a sejada, which is a prayer mat. Sometimes people also bring has tasbih, which is like prayer beads.
So mukena is like a robe.
Kind of. It covers the whole body except the face and hands. It's worn over our cloth when we pray.
Oh, that's so respectful. Do you carry it every day?
Yes, especially if I'm going to be out all day. It's lightweight and easy to fold.
That's really cool. Thanks for sharing, Hannah.
You're welcome, Asley. Let me know if you ever want to see how I use it. This is the most Asley. Ustazah is usually here after Asar, and she already knows we're coming.
Thank you, Hannah. I'm a bit nervous, but also excited. I never been inside a mosque before as a Muslim.
Assalamualaikum. Ini pasti Ashley yang sudah Hana ceritakan ya. Selamat datang di masjid ya, Ashley.
Assalamualaikum, you must be Asley. Hannah has told me about you. Welcome to the mosque, Asley.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Ustazah. I really want to learn how to pray properly.
Waalaikumsalam Ustazah, terima kasih. Saya sangat ingin belajar bagaimana cara sholat yang benar.
Insya Allah, kita mulai dari hal yang paling dasar dulu ya, seperti niat, gerakan, dan wudhu. Gak usah terburu-buru.
Insya Allah, we will start from the very basic, like intention, movement, and wudhu. No need to rush.
Mari aku tunjukin gimana cara wudhu. Itu penting sebelum kita sholat.
Asley, let me show how to wudhu. This is important before we pray.
Cuci kedua telapak tangan sebanyak 3 kali. Mulailah dari tangan kanan lalu tangan kiri.
Wash both palms 3 times. Start from the right hand, then the left.
Yang pertama, berkumur. Berkumur-kumur sebanyak 3 kali.
The first, gargling. Washing the mouth 3 times.
Selanjutnya, menghirup air ke dalam hidung atau bisa disebut istinsyak, yaitu membasuh lubang hidung sebanyak 3 kali.
Next, inhaling water into the nose or istinsyak. Washing the nostrils 3 times.
Selanjutnya, membasuh wajah. Membasuh seluruh bagian wajah yang terlihat sebanyak 3 kali.
Next, washing the face. Washing all visible parts of the face 3 times.
Selanjutnya, membasuh kedua tangan hingga siku. Membasuh tangan kanan dan kiri hingga siku sebanyak 3 kali.
Washing the hands up to the elbows. Washing the right and left hands up to the elbow 3 times.
Selanjutnya, mengusap kepala. Mengusap bagian kulit kepala sebanyak 3 kali.
Next, wiping the head. Wiping a part of the scalp 3 times.
Selanjutnya, membasuh kedua telinga. Membasuh kedua telinga sebanyak 3 kali dimulai dari telinga kanan.
Next, washing both ears. Washing both ears 3 times, starting from the right ear.
Yang terakhir, membasuh kedua kaki hingga mata kaki. Membasuh kaki kanan dan kiri hingga mata kaki sebanyak 3 kali.
The last, washing the feet up to the ankles. Washing the right and left feet up to the ankles 3 times.
It's so peaceful, like washing not just the body, but also the mind.
Terlihat tenang seperti bukan hanya membasuh tubuh tapi juga dengan hati.
Sekarang kita mulai belajar gerakan sholatnya. Kamu nggak perlu hafal semua bacaan sholat. Seperti dulu aja gerakannya ya.
Now let's begin learning the prayer movements. You don't need to memorize all the magic word here. Just follow the movement first.
Okay, what do I say when I raise my hands?
Apa yang harus saya ucapkan ketika mengangkat tangan?
Kamu ucapkan Allahu Akbar yang artinya Allah Maha Besar.
You say Allahu Akbar, which means Allah is the greatest.
Yang pertama, takbiratul ihram. Memulai salat dengan mengucapkan Allahu Akbar sambil mengangkat kedua tangan hingga sejajar bahu. Membaca surat Al-Fatihah sebagai rukun salat.
Takbiratul ihram. Starting the prayer by saying Allahu Akbar while raising both hands to shoulder level.
Selanjutnya, ruku. Membungkuk badan dengan kedua tangan di atas lutut sambil mengucapkan Allahu Akbar.
Ruku. Bending the body with both hands on the knees while saying Allahu Akbar.
Selanjutnya, i'tidal. Bangkit dari ruku, mengangkat kedua tangan hingga sejajar bahu sambil mengucapkan Sami Allahu liman hamidah.
I'tidal. Rising from bowing, raising both hands to ear level for men or shoulder level for women. While saying Sami Allahu liman hamidah.
Selanjutnya, sujud. Menundukkan kepala, dahi, hidung, dan kedua tangan ke lantai sambil mengucapkan Allahu Akbar.
Prostration. Bowing the head, forehead, nose, and hands to the ground while saying Allahu Akbar.
Selanjutnya, duduk di antara dua sujud. Duduk sejenak sebelum bangkit ke gerakan sujud berikutnya.
Sitting between two prostration, sitting for a moment before rising to the next prostration.
Sujud kedua, melakukan sujud kembali seperti sujud pertama.
Second prostration, prostrating again like the first prostration.
Selanjutnya, duduk tahiyat atau duduk akhir, duduk sebelum salam membaca doa tahiyat.
Sitting tahiyat, final sitting. Sitting before the salam, reciting the tahiyat prayer.
Yang terakhir, salam. Mengakhiri salat dengan mengucapkan salam, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Salam. Ending the prayer by saying the salam, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Dan cukup sampai sini saja istilahnya Allah SWT belajar karena sabar. That's it now for today. As long as you Allah loves those who run with patience.
Thank you all. Today feel like my first real step as a Muslim.
Terima kasih semuanya. Hari ini terasa seperti langkah pertama saya sebagai seorang muslim yang sejujurnya. Kami senang kamu datang Asley, kamu selalu terima di sini. We're glad you can, Asley. You always welcome here.
Thank you for bringing me here, Hannah. I was nervous at first, but now I feel peaceful like I belong.
I'm glad to hear that, Asley. Islam is about peace and a journey of the heart. Every small step you take matters.
Thank you, Hannah. I think I finally feel like I found the right family.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Bikin ini aja BTS-nya.
Terlihat.
Udah, jangan ini udah.
Bentar. 2, 3.
Ustazahnya udah capek.
Baru tuh Allahu Akbar. Enam kali takbirnya. Mu'alaf. Ini kameramen nih udah siap bener nih. Terangkanlah. Ini gak mulai-mulai nih yang sholat.